What's good, y'all? Today, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be trying to clear up some oxidized headlights. Oxidized meaning, they started turning yellowish in color. So the product that we're gonna be using today is an Armor All headlight kit. It's all done by hand, no power tools needed. I paid $14 for this from AutoZone. Let's see how this does. First things first, I know I don't have any tape around the headlights. I don't really care about the paint on my car. It's very faded, and as you see, my car has a brow on it. So yeah, in our kit we have 4 of these wipes. So 2 for each side, and then 2 of these, which is going to be 1 for each side, depending on how bad everything turns out. You might not even need all 4 of these. So let's give it a go. That's just off the first pass. Now you just want to find another clean spot and just keep on. Let me guide you to E5, the light. Let me guide you to E5, the light. 'Cause there ain't no way. Feel like taking. Not bad if you ask me. Over. 'Cause there ain't no way. Just keep flipping and wiping. No way. Feel to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Just put a little bit of elbow grease into it. Let me help you. 'Cause I just can't stay here. I definitely didn't think my lights were this bad, but stagnant under pressure. Definitely gonna need that second pack. Now the instructions say on the second pass, firm even pressure with the second wipe. So let's do that for 2 minutes. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. To the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over. Let me help. 'Cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to E5. No way. Still pulling dirt.
Hey, yo. I know you think you're all set, but you better elevate your mindset. Get motivated, educated, so your status can be elevated. I know who I am. Get with the program. Take a book from the shelf. Get to know thyself. If you want to be the best, make it manifest. The only way you can do it is to stay true to it. It's all about the mind and all about the grind. It's there for you to get, so elevate your mindset. So your status can be elevated. Get motivated and educated, so your status can be elevated. Get motivated.
Now when you go to add the sealant to it, aka the clear coat or whatever you want to call it, the instructions say to make sure the headlight is dry and clean with a lint-free cloth, aka microfiber. So that's what I'm doing now.
And educated.
supposed to be it. Instructions say instructions say the surface will be dry in about 3 hours. And that is not bad looking. Is it really just that simple? Yes, actually it is. Now, restoring your headlights is a pretty simple process. There's levels to it. You know, you could do it by hand with wipes like I just showed you guys. You could do it with actual sandpaper and just some elbow grease. Then there's also some kits that come with attachments for a drill, which is also uses sandpaper, but you're using the power of a drill, which I'm gonna be showing in my next video. So stay tuned for that. But again, this headlight that I just did, it took me about 15 minutes, and that was with me running in and out of the house and, you know, having to grab certain things like the microfiber towel, etc. So it was very quick process. Now, let me show you a side by side, you know, just so you could get the real difference. I'll put a picture up on the screen. And now you'll let me know what you think. Not bad for 14 bucks, right? As opposed to having to buy a whole new headlight. I think it's worth it to me. So one headlight took 15 minutes, you know, on the bad days, let's say. So both of your headlights will take 30 minutes. I hope this video was informative. I hope you learned something. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to maybe try to get out and do things yourself instead of actually having to always pay somebody to do certain things. Y'all let me know if y'all like the video. You know, turn me up. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.